Hai, jadi video kali ini kita bakalan ngebahas tentang PPT Bahasa Inggris. Judulnya itu The Usage of the Modal Request to Word. Ya, jadi perkenalkan nama aku Salsabilita Kurtunada, aku dari informatika, eh, man, eh, kelas 15 1A. Oke, jadi untuk slide selanjutnya itu ada introduction, yaitu modal verb are helping verb that express activity, possibility, formation, or the request. Next, yang selanjutnya itu ada purpose of training modals. We ask the model to take our space more polite and formal. Next, selanjutnya itu ada common modal aus in the request. Ada can, could, will, would, might, and meet. Terus yang ini using, yaitu can. The example-nya, can you help me? Dalam kurung itu asking for help in a friendly way. Next itu ada using the could. Example-nya, could you pass the salt, please? Maksudnya itu polite for the formal the request. Next, selanjutnya ada using to will. Example, will you open the door? Less formal request. Selanjutnya ada would. Using to would. Example, would you mean closing the window? Very polite and indirect request. Next ada using my. Example, my eyebrow your to pen. Asking to permission to polity. Next, selanjutnya itu ada asking to make. Example, make I asking you a question, very formal and polite. Next, selanjutnya ada compression table. Ada can, yaitu casual, terus word, polite, terus word, very polite, to my, formal, make, very formal. Terus next, yaitu ada constructor of request sentences. One, the pattern modal plus subject plus verb based from the example course you open the windows. Next, itu ada polite addition. Add the words like please, kindy, or you mean to make request over. Next ada example in daily life. Can you call me later? Call you wait a moment. Would you mean helping me? Terus next ada formal face to informal to request. Jadi perbedaannya itu kalau formal word you please seek this to document. Kalau informal itu can you say this to paper. Selanjutnya ada negative request. Example, word you mean not smoking hair. Next ada sedikit pertanyaan. Practice the exercise. Complete with correct the model. Nomor 1, titik-titik, you help me. Nah, oke. Jadi yang pertama itu titik you help me itu jawabannya cold. Kenapa harus cold? Karena cold itu digunakan untuk permintaan yang lebih sopan gitu. Jadi kalau misalkan yang lain itu kurang sopan. Terus yang kedua itu titik I brought your to your to book. Jawabannya itu my I brought your book. Digunakan untuk meminta izin secara formal. Terus yang ketiga itu titik you meet waiting at to beat. Jawabannya itu Would you meet waiting at to beat? Karena would itu terdengar paling sopan karena sangat halus untuk meminta sesuatu yang kita pengen. Oke, next. Itu ada quiz team. Jadi pertanyaannya itu how's the mouse poly to request? A. Can you open the windows? B. What you mean opening the windows? Jawabannya adalah B. What you mean opening the windows? Yay! Oke guys, selanjutnya kesimpulan. Summary. Modal verb make or to request, count to polite, and the respectful. Yay! And thank you. Terima kasih guys. Bye. Hai guys, perkenalkan nama aku Salsabila Yakonada dari Informatika kelas 15 1A. Jadi sekarang kita pengen pidato bahasa Inggris title How's Your Appreciation to Our Lecture. Good morning everyone, viewers of all things good of giving us the canvas together here today. Today I would like to talk about how to request into Universitas BSI. The people how to get is praise and the motivates us to every single day. Our literature is not only some quotations of lessons from the books, but also some to opens our mind and the hearts. They help us to understand for not only the subjects but also the many of the responsibility. Despite night and the hard work, sometimes we forget how to move the effort out the legs to it, put the in to request puts in the preference or the lessons, correcting our to work and supporting us when well the sugar the study stress, prepare time and the energy to make sure we can acquire success in the force. Therefore, let us show our the appreciations to our requires in the Universitas BSI. A simple to thank you for the respect and attitude can make so much the team. Let's be go to student or make or to requires prop to the hours are happy means and the good behavior. To all lecturers, thank you for you partners, Claudia, and the dedication. You are the requirement we kept to moving for years. Thank you.